This is the React Native weather app series. So in the last video we have designed the detail screen. So today we are going to design the rest of the project. So let's start with the practical. So this is my app.js. So first we are going to search the screen. I'm just going to the src folder and screen and my city screen, and let me open it. So I just opened my screen, and first I'm going to type the text, like is it the correct screen or not. So screen, and I'm going to style also, color.white. So let me remove this text. So now we are going to the design of the screen. First we have a header, and then we have a text input, and after that we have a render item. So let's start how to build this kind of the UI. So first we are going to import the one text component from the React Native, and after that we need to type my city, see my cities, and just press, and let me format the code. Let me close this also. So first I'm going to style the text also. So for that I'm going to header style, header text style, and first we are going to apply the color, and we are going to import the color from the colors, and we have a white, and save it and just copy and come to the text style, apply the style dot header text. So you can see my city. After that we need to apply the font size, and we need to import the scale from the responsive UI. Let me add 26, and also we need to add the font family, and font family dot bold. Let's see, it's also a bold, and we need to 32. Yeah, let me add the semi bold. So this is our text, and let me add some margin top also, and moderate scale from the responsive UI 12. Yeah, should we add the 8? And after that I need to create the, so this is our header. You can see we just create the one header with the name of the my city. So now we are going to create the text input component. So this is our text input component. In the text input component, when you click through the text input component, we can navigate to the search screen. So for that we are going to create the one button like this. So let me create the search button also, touchable opacity, and let's type the import the text, and let me import the search for the city. Just type the search for cities. You can see search for the cities and save it. So we need to style the button also, search button style, and just add the, first we are going to add the background color, and we already have this color in the background. So for that I'm going to the home screen and just copy the color we had in the FlatList, search about the FlatList, and we need to copy the card color. So this is our background color, copy, and come to the your background color and save it, and just come here and just copy the search button style and come to the touchable opacity, and now you can see we just applied the background color to the search for the city button. So let me also add the height and width. We need to moderate scale and 54, and let me add the border radius also, border radius we need to add moderate scale 16, and also align item center So we do not need align item center, we need only align justify content center. And let me, yes, and also we need a padding horizontally, moderate scale 16, and let me color the, so let me style the text also. So for that I'm going to text style and just type the search and search text style and just copy and come here and paste it. So we need to copy the style of the header. Let me copy, paste it, and we need to 14 and save it. And let's see the, yeah, we need a little bit like a medium. We need a medium. So let's see. So we need a medium style, and let's add to the medium, and we do not need margin top. Let's remove it. And let me format the code. Also we need the margin top from the header. So let me margin top 32 or 20. So 20 is enough. So we just create the search button. So when you click to the search button, so that we should navigate from this screen to the search screen. So for that I'm going to the button and just import the on press and just type the arrow function navigation. So we need to import the navigation. So for that const and just type navigation is equal to use navigation from React navigation, and just copy and just paste it, and we have a dot navigate, and then we have a search screen. When I click, so I can just navigate to the search screen. You can see directly we can navigate to the search screen, and this is our search screen. You can see. So now we are going to design the rest of the UI. So this is our screen. You can see we have a render item. So this icon is for the current location, and then we have a other render item. So let's start to build these item. So for that I'm going to take a one FlatList, and let me close it. First I'm going to create a dummy data for this, and we have a const and data four object. You can see I just type my dummy data, and we have an array, and inside the array we have a four objects. So let's render these dummy data. So for that just copy and come to the FlatList, and first we have a data, and just start to add the your data also, and then we have a render item and render item, and the render item we need to open item, and index also we need to add index, and just return also. Let's type the return, and we need to take a one view. We just take a one view. After that we need to take a one view more, and just define style and flex direction row, and we need to add the text also. So the first text we have a item dot city name. So you can see, let me style the text for this, and let me style dot just copy the text of the search button. So this is our text, you can see, and after that I need to add the one text more for the timing, and let's add the item dot time, and we just copy the style of the text, and let's So we just render the city name and the time. Now I'm going to the view, and first I'm going to add the background color and color dot background. So we need to add this background color, card color, add it, and we need to item separator also, and this item separator we need to arrow function and add the one view and just add a style and define the height and just moderate scale 12, and we just separate the item from each other, and after that we need to just come to the your view again and add the border radius, moderate scale we need to add the 16, and go to the next line, and after that we need to add the height and just define moderate scale 56. So now we are going to add also justify content space between. So we need to render the other data also. For that I'm going to take a one text and just apply the item dot temperature. This is our temperature, you can see, and let me copy the header text style. We need to add this style also to the temperature. So you can see, and so we need to add the symbol also for this round. And let's see the edit. Inside the edit we have a symbol and emojis. We just open it and just come down. So this is our symbol, you can see. So after that we need to design the main view. So just come here and just justify we need to align item center. Yes, and we need to add the padding horizontally also, moderate scale, just add the 16, and we need to add more like a 20. So now we are going to add the style to the flat list also, style, and just type the margin top. We need to add the margin top and moderate scale also again, and add the 20 or 32. Yes, and also we need to add the height, and after that we need to, so now we are going to the view. This is our view for the render item, and just add the height to the 62 or 64. I mean it should be say 72. So it's look fine now. So now I'm going to style the item city. So just click on this and just copy and paste it, and just type the city name text style, and we need to 18. Just copy and come to the city name and paste it, and we need to add the, it should be a semi bold. Yeah, it's look better now. And just go here, this is my city. Now we are going to design the time also. So now we are going to style the time. Just copy, come here and just click on the search the text style, and just copy and come here and type the time text style, and we do not have a, this is not a white, pure white, this is not the pure white. We need to add the opacity 0.5, copy, paste it. Yeah, it's look better from past. And after that we need to add the one, after that we need to add the one icon. So that is the current location icon, so this icon. So for that I'm going to take this, cut this view, command X, and take a one view and add it, and also assign the style and just add the flex direction row and align item center. Align item center, and we need to add the one emoji also. We need to add the one image also. Just import the image from the React Native and source image path, and let's see the image I have or not. So I do not have this image, so let me download this image from the flat icon. So let's come here, type the flat icon, we just import the icon, and now I'm going to the my city screen again and just type the name of the icon. You can see we have a, so now we can see we have an image in every render item. So now we need to add the check also for this. So add this, and we have a item dot current location item, and we is current location. So if you have a is current location, we need to render the image. If we do not have a is current location, we do not need. So this, you can see this is our current location. If your current location is true, we need to show the icon. If you do not have a, if the current location is false, we do not need to show this icon. So let me save it. So you can see we just show only in one the current location. So let me style the image also. Height, we have a height, moderate scale 24, and also width, moderate scale 24, and let me add the resize mode content, and also I need to add the tint color dot white. So we cannot apply the tint color for this. Yeah, we need to add, so this is not the correct icon. Let me import the another icon also. So I just changed the icon. So let me remove this. So I just changed the icon. So let me add the margin left and just add moderate scale, add the 12 or 6, and it's looking better now. So now we are going to improve the UI. So for that I'm going to the UI. So you can see we have the UI like this, and we have a space from the top. So let's first, we are going to add the space to the text. This is our text, and just add the margin top, moderate scale 12, and we need to all this 82, and let's go to the 12. We do not need to 12, we just add the 6. Yeah, now it's looking better than past. And after that, we need to, so now I'm going to remove the inline styling. So this is first I'm going to remove the image style, image, paste it, copy, and come to the image and just add it in this, and then let me format the code. After that I need to remove the view style. Let me cut it and just come render view, paste it, save, and just copy the render view style. Let me paste it. So we just, and also we need to add the item separator a little bit more, 16 or 20. So let me off this scroll view. So just come here and just type scroll enable and false. I just off the scroll view for the flat list. Now I'm going to take a one scroll view and the main to wrap all my screen. Scroll view from the React Native, cut and come and just paste it, save it, and also I need to style and flex 1. Yeah, so now it's scrolling the whole screen. So now it's scrolling the whole screen, and let me off the bounce, false. Yeah, so like this we can create the UI of the My City screen. In the next video I will show you how to swipe left and show the delete icon. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.